So yesterday, Forbes published an article by Adam Minsky. He's a well-known attorney and writer that focuses on student loans. This particular article is 8 student loan dates and deadlines borrowers should know for 2025. I'll drop the link below so that you can check out the full article if you'd like to. There's a fair amount of information, and so I'm going to go ahead and just give you a summary analysis of what's going on here in this article and what those important dates are according to Adam. The first day is February 20th. So some of these dates have already passed. The first one was February 20th of this year. Borrowers whose income recertification date was on or before March 17th must have submitted the recertification request by February 20th. If they did, but their servicer doesn't process it, the recertification date is extended by 1 year. Borrowers whose income recertification date was on or after March 18th must have submitted the recertification as well. Their recertification dates also extend by 1 year. Borrowers who missed that are experiencing higher payments and should expect those adjustments soon. April 17th. There is a court hearing that's scheduled regarding the legal challenge to the suspension of the income-driven repayment plans, or IDRs. So this could influence resumption of processing those IDR applications and provide some clarity for borrowers that are waiting to afford repayment plans. In May, Republican lawmakers are aiming to pass a bill with significant reforms to student loan forgiveness and repayment programs by May 26th. The proposed changes could impact borrowers' eligibility and repayment options. Looking into the fall, in September, loan services are expected to complete a technical update related to the SAVE plan forbearance by that time. And borrowers may begin transitioning back into repayment after that date. In December, first payments for borrowers affected by the SAVE plan forbearance are expected to be due no later than December of this year. So that's going to depend, though, on court rulings and other servicer readiness. Also in December, the tax relief on student loan forgiveness under the 2017 Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2021 American Rescue Plan Act will expire. So unless these are extended, the student loans that are forgiven may become taxable starting in 2026. The final date to look at right now is February 1st of 26. This is the earliest date that we're aware of that any borrower on an IDR plan will need to rectify their income due to the recertification extensions announced by the Department of Education. So with that in mind, regarding income recertification extensions, this has provided some temporary relief. However, the ongoing legal challenges and administrative delays have created uncertainty. The court hearing on IDR on April 17th. This outcome could significantly impact millions of borrowers that are waiting for affordable repayment plans and loan forgiveness. For the SAVE plan forbearance, this is ongoing forbearance, which offer temporary financial relief. Again, we have a lack of clarity, and it's the end dates that complicates those financial planning for the borrowers. And again, just something to be thinking about, looking for. If you've been benefiting from any forgiveness program, you need to prepare for potential tax implications starting 2026, unless Congress extends that relief. Student loan debt and how it's going to be treated moving forward is changing every day, sometimes multiple times per day. So just keep your eyes open for news and updates so that can assist you along the way.